Hey everyone, welcome to Mix It Up Art. Today we are going to be painting this cloudy sky using tempera paints. To get started, you're going to get a sheet of light blue construction paper, and I want you to hold it landscape style so it's wider side to side than it is up and down. You're going to need some white paint, pink paint, and then this color, which is a mix of white, blue, and black. So it's kind of like a bluish gray. We're going to start with the bluish gray here. And it's important that you have a rounded, fluffy paintbrush. So when you have that, you're going to wipe off the extra paint. And then you're actually going to dab off the extra paint on a paper towel. You want this paintbrush to be a little dry before you start painting. Then what we're going to do is start by just dabbing a line wherever you want the bottom of your cloud to be. You'll want to do a lot of dabbing so that way the gray lines look smoky. Then you're going to pick up a little bit of pink on your paintbrush. And this is where we're going to start to round out the top of the cloud. So just above that gray line, we're going to add in dabs of pink. You'll want to make sure to go back and dab over the area where the pink and the gray meet to make sure that it blends really well. The continuous dabbing with a dry paintbrush is what helps give the clouds that soft, puffy look. Now the last thing that you'll want to do is do the exact same thing with some of the white paint towards the top of the cloud. Then, to make the clouds look even puffier, you can dab on some of the white in a curved line into the middle of the cloud. I like to do that and then add a little bit of extra pink in the middle to help it look extra fluffy. If your clouds don't look puffy enough, it might be because you have too much paint on your paintbrush. You really want your paintbrush almost completely dry. So if you add too much paint to your paper, just keep dabbing until it really starts to dry out, and it should make it look fluffier. You can continue to go back and forth with all the colors and reshape your clouds as you want. Just remember to keep dabbing. And that's it. That's all there is for our cloudy sky. Don't forget, if you want to leave me a comment or tweet me a picture, to follow me on Twitter at MixItUpArt. And as always, have fun.